gorgeous. It's all for vegan lovers. This is all ingredients. This one is shiny, roll it over, broccolini as well. Today's video is how to make sushi part 2. How's it going everyone? I'm Keita. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan sushi. Today I'm gonna make Chumaki and inside out sushi. If you haven't checked first video of making sushi, please check it out and learn how to make sushi vinegar and rice. I showed how to cook sushi rice and hosomaki. Second step is chumaki and inside out roll. Normal chumaki is seaweed outside. Another one is inside out roll. Seaweed is inside and outside is rice. It's like California roll, but I'm gonna make for vegan. Okay, I came back from shopping and I bought these vegetables for vegan sushi. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I prepare the vegetable. And this is broccolini. Cut here, let's cut this. Next, capsicum. Like this. Cool. And next, green capsicum. Cut in half and quarter. And cut like this. Okay. Next is carrot. And remove skin. Remove skin. Like this. Next is beetroot. This is all ingredients. I boil beetroots and broccolini. Capsicum and carrot is fresh. I boiled broccolini. Broccolini is like this. I put beetroots. Okay, already boiled. And put in the water and make it cold. Okay, peel the skin like this. And I'm gonna cut like this size. This one is different both sides. This one is shiny, this one is a bit rough. So shiny one is outside. And then rice. Not too much, like this amount. Okay, like this. And I put the ingredients. First, beetroots, broccolini, and then carrot, capsicums, and then avocado. Yeah, it's cool. And then vegan mayo bean. Okay, cool. And then roll it over. One and then two. Not push too much, little bit. Just make it shape and down. In half. In half. Cool. Next is inside out. And when I make inside out, I wrap this bamboo mat because it's thick. Bamboo mat and rice. Cool, like this. Cut in half. Easy. just half, nice amount of rice, and put on the seaweed and spread the rice evenly. Make it flat, not too much. If you put many rice, it's very almost rice is this sushi, but this ratio sushi rice and ingredients is very important. It's like this amount, and flip over beetroots, this fresh carrot, vegan mayo, capsicum, green capsicum, red also, very make it good color, broccolini as well. This put all ingredients, it's all same amount. Roll it over. One, and then two, and make it hot. Make it shape like this. Beautiful. The opposite side. Nice. It's already closed. Cut. Half. 3. 1. Put the sesame on top nicely. And then this is Chumaki and inside out roll. Gorgeous. It's all for vegan lovers. Okay, cool. いただきます。I try to taste first this one. Chumaki. The looking very good, colorful, and the texture of beetroot is good, and with this fresh carrot and capsicum is very perfect, and this ratio of rice and in this ingredient is very good. If you put more rice, it's more taste rice. Anyway, I like it. Okay, next, this one, inside out. It's very popular one. I love beetroot. いただきます。What I like this one is all fresh. The takeaway sushi is make it and leave long time, so the outside of rice is dry, but this after making eat straight away is the best timing. So please make it at home and try it. Thank you for watching my video. See you in next video, part 3, Nigiri sushi. Okay? Bye! Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. ありがとう。